What's going on? It's your boy Kartoon here with Kartoon Review. We'll review anything that a consumer could buy. Today I'm going to be showing you an easy way to screenshot whatever you have in your display. Stay tuned. Alright, the way I use my screenshot is I use an app called Good Lock. Let me give you a demonstration real quick. I'm going to go to my Instagram real quick. We got a potato face from shout out to Ice Universe, best leaker out there. So let's say I want to screenshot this particular picture. See here, down here in the bottom, I'm gonna zoom in a little bit so y'all can see it. It's like a square with a little splash, a spark, whatever you call it. You hit this one button and voila. You don't have to be hitting the volume down and the power key. Sometimes it gets difficult, sometimes you lock your screen. This is the easiest way that I could find that you could screenshot. The program that I use is called Good Lock. It has different things that you can do. This is I did a video of Good Lock, everything that you could do, but the one that I use for the screenshot is called Navistart. So you hit this, hit there, and it gives you a whole array. You could switch it up, you could put your own icons. What I did was I have I have this one customized that it's for. It has the screenshot. It brings down the notification when you bring it down. Let me show you real quick. See, it brings it down. Then the 3-line are the multitask one, all the programs that you have. And at the same program, Good Lock, you could also customize it to make it look different in here, but we're gonna stay in task. The square one brings you back home, and then the arrow going towards the left brings you to the page before that one, but goes back. So it's pretty nice and simple. I wanted to share this app because I've seen a lot of people having a hard time trying to figure out how to do screenshot a easier way than them 2 knocks or bringing down the notification then hitting the screen, whatever comes up in there, whatever. This is the easiest way that I could find to take a screenshot. If you like this video, make sure you hit that like button, and if you're brand new to my channel, please do subscribe. If you want to donate to my channel, there's links down below that you could drop in whatever amount of money you want to give me so I could do better reviews, have different products, help out the channel in general. It's your boy Kartoon. Peace.